You are looking at the awesomeness that is the '02 Toyota Tacoma. I love these trucks. Now you're looking at the bed, right? And that is what we're gonna treat today, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna breathe some new life into that bed with the Dupli-Color Truck Bed Coatings. The silver lining today is the fact that as far as the prep work goes, a lot of the scuffing, I'd say 98% of the scuffing is done because the surface is already good and rough. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and blow the rest of the stuff out because we cleaned it out outside. I'm gonna blow the rest of the little stuff out. We'll hit it with the foaming prep spray, get it good and clean, and then we'll be ready to start laying on the truck bed coating. Now, when it comes to the application, we've got a couple of different options with the truck bed coating. They've got a roll-on option. You've also got the spray gun with the compressor. You can go that route, and it makes a big job really quick. But with this size of a truck bed, which is kind of small, it's low to the ground, you can reach everything. Everything's pretty accessible. I think the easiest and best way to go is gonna be with the aerosol method. The Dupli-Color Truck Bed Coating is a durable, textured, impact-resistant coating that is designed to let you protect the bed of your truck at a fraction of the cost as if you were to buy a typical drop-in liner. The next thing up is in the inside of the wheel wells, the metal portion. We're gonna use the Professional Undercoat with Sound Eliminator, and that's gonna give us a little bit more like sound deadening back there, which is gonna be nice in these little trucks because they can ride a little bit loud, but it's gonna give us corrosion resistance on the bottom side of the bed. So we're gonna have this thing protected on the bottom and the top, and that is going to be great. Let's talk about another application that we have as far as methods go for the guys that like aerosol, because a lot of us do, because it's quick and it's easy. Now, let's say you're doing a bigger job than this, maybe 2 of these beds. That's where this comes in. It's the premium truck bed coating with the high output delivery system. That high output delivery system is this trigger right here. It's just an easier and even quicker way to do either multiple projects or larger projects. Now, that being said, let's take a look at the reveal. Boom. This thing looks awesome. For more information on these or any of the other Dupli-Color products, be sure to check out their website.